Okay, so this is the process of generating a dataset to recognize bananas. This is actually the third time I've done this video now. The Mac broke very briefly, but I've restored it now, so it should be good. So in the previous video, I ran a git clone command, which downloaded a load of it cloned a Git repository which contained a vast amount of banana photos, which are the pictures I will be using to develop the application. So if I go into own here, this is where I cloned it to. So, I just want to check the license here. As you can see, it's part of the MIT license, so I'm entitled to use these. Not entitled, but I'm licensed. So I'm just going to remove these files here because I don't need those at the moment. And inside the training, there are a whole lot of fruits. These are all been provided by the person on GitHub. I'm just going to remove all of these, apart from maybe, I'll keep the strawberries. Okay, so that's just a little bit cleaner now. Banana ladyfinger. As you can see, there's a bunch of pictures of bananas here, effectively on a rotating plate. I don't know how many there is here actually. Yeah, a lot. So if I go on a banana, yeah, there's about 500. And as you can see, they're all just similar. All very similar. So what I'm going to try to do is do what I did a couple blog posts ago and do the same thing and use this retrain application to generate a graph, which I can then use with this application, but repurposed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back. I'm going to find. That's not what I was looking for, is it? No. So as you can see previously, I used these pictures of flowers. Now this is probably a better data set than the one I've got, but I guess we'll see. So now dandelion, bottlenecks, yeah, no, it doesn't look like it's going to be a problem. Models, walnut. I haven't done this before without using the documentation or the recommended files. So as you can see here, this is the command that we're going to use for identifying the files, or not identifying the files, for training the graph. So if we try and make sense of this, we can see here it says bottleneck dir. I'm not entirely sure what that means. I'm assuming this will be generated actually. I don't think we are required. No, yeah, I know what that means. Yeah, no, these are, yeah, okay, I think I'm right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just try and find my way to this directory in the terminal. Be easier to get things like the current working directory. Right, cd fruit ls. Call it main why not? Okay, so that's now it might actually be easier if I put this in there, you know, because I mean the script's in here, so that's what I'm probably gonna do. Own fruit images training banana. I'm gonna copy that. Yeah, I don't think it's a big file size, no, it's a megabyte, so I'm not exactly losing anything. I'm gonna put this in TF files, so our script isn't totally working by itself. I'm gonna call it own ban. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start changing this. So I said it's going to be in TF file bottlenecks new. Actually, no. I said it was going to be in own/bottlenecks. Own/bottlenecks. Summaries dir equals own/that. Output graph own. Output labels own. Image dir equals TF files. And it's in own ban. Because if we go in own ban, there's our bananas. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a little run, and hopefully, if we're having a lucky day, it should just run. What have I done? It should just run without giving us any problems, I say, as I run into a problem. Yeah, I'm going to go run it there. Now, hopefully I shouldn't get any problems. Otherwise, I'm going to be detecting flowers. Yeah, I got a problem. Brilliant. Unknown architecture. Now, I believe I had this error in one of my blog posts. If we go to blogger.com, it wasn't in there, no. It's in here. I think I said, no, it wasn't this one. Brilliant. Was it this one? Nope. It was... It was this one. I think I had a similar error that said unknown architecture, yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run these commands like I said I did. And then I can go ahead and give that another whirl. Ah, you see, that's what I forgot. If I go into own ban, this is actually, these all need to be in a folder. So what I need to do is I'm going to do own ban. Ah, no. Call this bananas. Is that how you spell bananas? Jeez, don't give me this. It's all part of the development process, I promise. Right, okay, yeah, it's always a confusing one. Right, so then I'm going to create a folder called own ban. I'm going to pop that in there. So now, oh, I didn't mean to do that one. Right, okay, so now if we go ahead and run that, it should see there's now bananas. And it should train on the bananas. Oh, never mind. Only one valid folder found. Multiple classes are needed for classification. Well, that's fine, isn't it? Because we actually downloaded. You remember at the start, I kept a couple of images, didn't I? Training. So I kept some tomatoes. Yes, let's get a couple of tomatoes. Let's get that one. Should I get a... tomato's probably the most common, isn't it? Go back, fruit image dataset. No, no, that's not where I'm going. Go here, here, TF files, own ban, tomato, tomato, and then I'm gonna, oh, it says multiple, so let's just be safe. Pop a couple in there. Where am I? Right, okay, there we go. Training. Red, banana. Let me guess, is this a red banana? It's a red banana. Okay, so keep getting lost. Right, I'm gonna pop this into your files. Flower photos. Nope, not in there. On ban. Got regular banana. Okay, no more errors, hopefully. There we go. That's what I like to see. It generating things. I'm not a data scientist, so I probably can't tell you what it's generating right now, but I know it's working well. So we're just going to wait this out. So once this is done, I'll be able to use this. See what that says. Right. So it's on the tomato already, which is actually really good. Unless it started with the tomato. Did it start with the tomato? No, it didn't. Yeah, deprecation. Everyone loves a bit of deprecation. Ah yes, cross entropy. You know, this did take a lot faster when I was doing it on flowers. But hey. This little machine isn't doing too bad to handle this. Okay, so I might as well explain what I'm going to do, or I might as well start having a look at the retrain script. Not the retrain script, the image labeler. Right, let's have a so basically the next step is to use our script, which is this one here. We're going to use this one to determine accuracy values of the, yeah, you know what I mean. We're going to use this to load accuracy values. But right now, as you can see, it's using argparse, or is it? Argparse, yeah. Argparse to get these arguments. We're going to hardcode these so we don't have to do this kind of thing. It's very weird code. It really is. What I could actually do is just make a system call to this application. Then again, that would be pretty inefficient, wouldn't it? If this could hurry up and finish, just so I can show you that it's actually done, I can end this and work on this. But as you can see here, it's doing all the printing. As you can see here, that's the thing that tells us the accuracy values. And so if I can just repurpose this into into some sort of GUI, then I should be on my way. Well, anyway, I think you understand what's... Oh, just in time. Just in time. So now, we should be able to go have a look here. TensorFlow. TF files. On ban. No, that's not what I said, is it? Is it? Is that what I said I'd save it? Oh, this is worrying. Oh no, there it is. Yes, there's our graph. There it is. There's our dataset. That's our dataset. This confusing pile of absolute gibberish is our dataset. There you go. Easily readable. There's our dataset. The dataset is generated. Yay.